Pros Note: the professional video training for softwares. AccroBIZ. Check Pulse. AccroHost. For more videos, visit our website www.sprosnote.com.
In this video, I am going to explain how to create new company and how to make basic settings for your company and making purchase and sales, just starting for AccroBIZ. So first you need to open your AccroBIZ, and I'm going to show you now create new company. So here is create new company. So for example, I'm going to give the company name ABC Trading. ABC Trading. This is my new company. So the company already created. On the login time, I can choose my company here. My company list will be here. So I want to choose ABC company. I'm going to log in now. It will take few seconds to log in. And your default username is admin and password also admin. You can log in here in the small letter. Admin is small letter and password also in small letter. You can click login. So your company is open. Your new company, your new AccroBIZ is open already. Now we can set up your company basic settings. So you can click here tools and settings. Here application settings. And your company name here. For example, ABC Trading. And if the tax number, you can enter the tax number here. If not available, you can skip it there. And the country, which country. So I'm selecting for the Bahrain. And which state, I am going to select this state. And which currency mode, international, and my currency is dinars. I want to make Bahraini dinars. Bahraini dinars. And my minor currency will be fils, BHD, and 3 decimals. And the tax, not GST, the tax using, and the company address here, and I am going to put the logo also here. So this is my logo. Already I added the logo, and the contact details also I can update it here. Whatever the settings required, everything I fill it here, because these details coming for the invoice and another all reports printouts, every headings will be the details. Just save it. So the basic setting is ready. Now we can make it purchase. So automatically it will be close and open. So I'm going to log in here. So now we can make a purchase, one small purchase entry, just a training purpose. So you can click here transaction and purchase. And for the purchase, compulsory for the party selection. So presently it doesn't have party here because new company we didn't create any party here. So I'm going to click plus here and create new party. For example, HA Trading. This is my supplier. And if supplier have any ID for supplier CR register number, anything you can fill it, and name on print also, and supplier mobile number you can fill it, and picture line. Whatever the required fill. These 3 is compulsory, you need to fill it. Another, if required, you need to fill it. And the supplier address also you can fill it here. And any credit limit, any credit days limit, everything you can fill it here, and save and close. So supplier selection ready, and supplier voucher number, because supplier giving you one invoice, you need to give the invoice number here for supplier invoice number. And the items, what are the items you purchase from the supplier. For example, I purchase for iPhone 12. So iPhone presently doesn't have in my list. I need to create new item. So here menu and create new item, and required fields, the item name. I want to put the small I, iPhone 12 128 GB black or white. Like that I can give the required fields, and different language, if any Arabic or any another language you can give it here. Any item code or part number available you can give it here, otherwise you can skip. The product have the barcode, you can fill it here. And here mode of item, if you purchase and sell, it's called goods. So services, you can create service. Already I may make one video for item creation for details, already available. I keep the link below. So I'm selecting for the goods. What is the unit? Because pieces, liter, meters, like that you can create new unit also. And which manufacturer, which category, everything if required you can create it. And there is any tax, if the product tax applicable, you can give the tax. For example, this one for 10%, and the cost price will be, I can give it here, cost price will be 200. I am going to sell 220. If any wholesale rate, MRP like that I can give, and reorder level also I can mention. Whatever required fields mention here for the item creation, and save and close. So the first item ready, I am going to purchase for 5 pieces. Okay, and second item I am going to give iPhone headphone or headset. So I am clicking here, create new item, because presently doesn't have item. If you have item list available, you can search it here easily. So this is a new company, we are entering the first purchase, that is the reason we need to create new items. So I am going to create another item. That's it. And if any model number, any variety, any color like that, you can give the detail item name. And this one also goods, same like that before, and save and close. So 2 items, this one I am going to purchase. By mistake I forget to enter for the rate, for the cost price. So I can enter here also for the rate, because while item creation time already I forget. So I am going to create for the cost will be 28 dinars. And I am going to click save here. And whenever we are purchasing, there is mode of payment, because if you pay the supplier by cash, you can select the cash. If pay from your card or bank account like that, you can create here. If you didn't pay the money, it will be mixed, it will be credit, later you will pay, and the mixed payment also here. So after everything ready, you can click it save also. So the purchase done it, already purchase done it. So this is the purchase voucher. There also, if you want to customize the printout, there is lots of templates, lots of designs for the printouts. If purchase printout you want to keep it, that will be possible also, you can print. And here edit option also here on the printouts, because if address, any terms and condition like that, if you want to update it, there are also option. So now I want to check for what is the stock available for this item, because we purchased 2 items. I want to just check for the stock. So here I am clicking heads, item or products. I can search item here. Presently I have 2 items only. So here this one is 5, and this one is 10, because I have 2 items. Now I am going to make it sales. For example, here transaction and sales billing. So I can select my party here. If this is cash bill or counter sale, not required to select party also. If you want to keep the proper record for your customers, you can select for the party also. If the credit compulsory, you need to create the party. So for example, I am going to click here, and presently it doesn't have party, so I am going to create new party. Just I give the name for down, and I didn't fill these fields. If any credit limit, credit days limit, the permissions I can set it here, but I am not doing. So the customer created any reference, any quotation, LPO number, any another reference, you can give it here. Now I am going to sell for this customer headphone, and 2 pieces only I am going to sell. If any another item, I can enter it. iPhone also I am going to sell for 1 piece. Headphone, I want to make it as a 1 piece. Okay. So total, this is the amount. If you can discount also, you can give it here. Any feature later I will explain about more. Now I am going to save this one. So this is cash, customer directly paying you the cash, you can select cash. And bank, customer paying from bank transfer or card like that, you can make it back. And credit sales, customer didn't pay, later customer will pay us. So this sales for cash. For example, I am going to click save. So the ready. I can print the invoice, and lots of invoice designs, and you can customize invoice also. Another one video I explain about the invoice customization. And here also available for editing for the contents. What are the contents, terms and conditions, numbers, and whatever prefix, suffix like that. Lots of editing will be here. and this is one design. Lots of templates available here. As per your taste, you can choose the template, and if you contact us, we will customize for you as per your demand also. We are customizing. If you need your letterhead design like that, some customization required, you can contact us also. So the sales already done. Now we can check the stock. So here heads and item or products. You can use Ctrl I as also the short key, because I am going to select this one. Now I have 4 pieces because we purchased 5, 1 sold, and here headset also now 9 pieces. Before we purchased 10 pieces, 1 we sold. And you can search also the items. For example, here searching option also. For example, I want to search 128 like that. I can set the item from anywhere. No need to start from the beginning. Anywhere you can search also. And now I'm going to show you the sales report also. You want to check because between the days or today or closing time, what are the sales we make, everything we need to get the reports. So here reports and sales report. And there is 2 type of report. One is item wise report, one is bill wise report. Item wise, all the item details will be here. What are the items between the date. Here also various selection by party wise, by mode of payment, by employee wise, by item wise, like that lots of. So I'm going to select the default only. So I'm generating the report. So these items I sold. I can print here, I can make it export Excel, PDF, Word, whatever. And between date also, if I want to say, check 1 week or 1 month, 1 year between date, I can select, I can generate the report. And there is another report, bill-wise report. I am going to select the bill-wise report. Bill-wise report will be different because the bill total only. And there is various templates also. You can select the templates. Various report templates also for the item-wise report, bill-wise report, everything have the templates also. Thank you.
Pros note: the professional video training for softwares. AccroBIZ. Check Pulse. AccroHost. For more videos, visit our website www.sprosnote.com.